Sleep bruxism is the third most common sleep disorder. It is more prevalent in children who often outgrow it, but the condition may be different in adults. Without proper treatment, sleep bruxism may cause serious damage to the teeth and surrounding tissue, as well as trigger headaches and jaw pain. About 8 to 10% of the adult population have a secret malady called sleep bruxism, a sleep disorder characterized by the grinding or clenching of teeth. Some people do it unconsciously even when they are awake. Stress usually has something to do with it, but the origins of the disorder are quite varied. The effects of bruxism are seldom anywhere near as bad as during sleep when the body's protective mechanisms are turned off. Without proper treatment, the condition may cause serious damage to the teeth and surrounding tissue, as well as trigger headaches and jaw pain. Bruxism can be a real nuisance. It's much like having a large football player standing on the tooth, said Dr. Noshir Mehta, chairman of general dentistry at Tufts University School of Dental Medicine and director of its Craniofacial Pain Center. Under normal circumstances, a person's teeth make contact for about 20 minutes a day with only 20 to 40 pounds of pressure to be able to chew. During sleep bruxism, however, the upper and lower teeth come into direct contact in as much as 40 minutes per hour, and with a force of about 250 pounds on the first molar. Sleep bruxism is not a disease, but it is the third most common sleep disorder after sleep talking and snoring. This condition is more prevalent in children, who often outgrow it, and causes behind adult cases are very different from those of the younger age bracket. In the 1960s, Dr. Gilles Levine, a professor of dentistry and medicine at the University of Montreal, and president of the Canadian Sleep Society explained that bruxism was thought to be the body's response to malocclusion, a problem that arises when the upper and lower teeth don't fit together. Due to lack of clinical evidence, the theory was not accepted in the medical and dental community. Later on, stress was cited to be the cause of the sleep disorder. Proponents of this theory failed to explain why not everyone with sleep bruxism was stressed and not everyone with stress ground their teeth. Some recent research studies also reveal the connection of sleep bruxism to neurochemicals like dopamine, but its significance is still being questioned. Dr. Levine's latest studies have identified a pattern of activation in the autonomic nervous system that correlates strongly with sleep bruxism. He emphasized that sleep bruxism is not an indicator of neurological disease. No matter what science eventually discovers as the cause of sleep bruxism, current medical literature point out to stress, smoking, alcohol, caffeine as the main triggers of the disorder. Relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or even acupuncture may help promote overall health and wellness. Doctors, however, say that these alternative healing methods will not cure or relieve sleep bruxism. For treatment, anti-anxiety medications and other pharmacological treatments may be prescribed by doctors to help bring bruxism to a halt. Patients, however, must be aware of that these drugs are potentially habit-forming. It works too well, said Dr. Michael Gelb, a clinical professor at the New York University College of Dentistry. The drug working well also entails the potential of substance abuse if the patient is left to use the drug without doctor supervision. In the meantime, dentists suggest that patients may use a mouth guard. The mouth guard is a small plastic device that covers some or all of the teeth to protect them against damage but does not really stop the grinding or clenching itself. The temporary relief can be quite expensive, as the device is customized to fit the user. But a more affordable version can be bought at over-the-counter drugstores, which are usually better than nothing. Dr. Charles McNeil, director of the Center for Orofacial Pain at the University of California, San Francisco, agrees that mouth guards may protect the teeth but should only be for temporary use, as it may also be more likely to induce a chewing response and increase bruxism. They can also cause irreversible damage to the bite or arrangement of the teeth. Customized mouth guards made by a dentist last longer, fit better, and are generally designed to distribute the force of grinding to reduce jaw pain. Bruxism or teeth grinding is one of most damaging forms of dental disorders. This condition is usually difficult to detect in the early stages as the patient is completely oblivious of this habit. It leads to clenching and grinding of the teeth along with extreme jaw movements. You can suffer facial pain due to the clenching clamping the top and bottom teeth together. This stressful act puts pressure on the muscles, tissues and the areas around the jaw. It can lead to serious problems like jaw joint disorders, jaw pain, headaches, earaches, damaged teeth and many others. This continuous form of grinding damages the teeth completely. This condition is very common among children, but it is not only restricted to them. It is a very common problem among people with fibromyalgia syndrome. The teeth clenching and teeth grinding may lead to temporomandibular joint dysfunction, TMJ. Home remedies for bruxism. Before retiring to bed, you can chew on an apple, cauliflower or carrot. This will calm your overactive mouth and prevent grinding. To relax your jaw muscles, use a warm washcloth around the sides of your face. Continue doing this for some time. This will relax the clenched muscles that cause head pain. Do it before bedtime to benefit more. Be relaxed and avoid stress by taking warm baths and massages. Massage your neck muscles, shoulders and face to relax peacefully. Stress-relieving exercises should help you unwind. Squeeze a tennis ball. It may come in handy to get rid of the stress. Sleeping on your side or your stomach may increase your chances of bruxism. The best position to sleep is on your back to reduce the stress. Use contoured pillow if you can't sleep on your back. Place the contoured pillow under your face and the ordinary pillow between your arms. Sleeping in this position reduces the strain on your jaw and neck and prevents you from rolling over onto your face. Avoid consumption of alcohol as it inadvertently affects your sleep and increases the movement of your jaw, which causes clenching. Cut down on caffeine and carbohydrates like candy and pastries. Try acupressure, it may help you relax for a good night's sleep, thus avoiding any incidents of teeth clenching or grinding. Warning: the reader of this article should exercise all precautionary measures while following instructions on the home remedies from this article. Avoid using any of these products if you are allergic to it. The responsibility lies with the reader and not with creator of this video.